With the standard driver selectable steering mode, drivers can select 3 different settings to customize steering response. Comfort, ideal for city driving and parking, requires the least amount of effort. The normal setting is designed for regular steering conditions, while the sport mode is ideal for highway or sporty driving when less power assist is needed or desired. All the headlight controls are located on a stalk on the left side of the steering wheel. Rotate the stalk to the first setting to turn on the parking lights. The second setting turns on the headlights. The third setting, marked Auto, is for Elantra GTs equipped with automatic headlights. These are included with the tech package. When set to Auto, the headlights will turn on and off automatically depending on the amount of light outside the vehicle. The headlight sensor is located on the top of the dash, so drivers should be careful not to cover this area with papers or aftermarket coverings. To flash the headlights as a signal to other drivers, pull the lever towards you and release. This can be accomplished whether the headlights are turned on or not. To activate the high beams, turn on the headlights and push the lever away from you. Pull the lever back for low beams. Controls for the fog lights are also located on the headlight stalk. Rotate this switch to turn the fog lights on or off. Note that they only operate with the headlights in the low beam position. Elantra GT's turn signals feature easy lane change. With a single touch of the stalk, up or down, the turn signals flash 3 times for added convenience in heavy traffic or on freeways. 2-speed variable intermittent wipers are standard. Wiper controls are located on the stalk on the right side of the steering wheel. Move the stalk up and release it for a single wipe to remove mist from the windshield. Move the stalk down 1 position to activate the intermittent wipe function. Rotate the ring on the stalk to decrease or increase intermittent timing for light rain. Move the stalk down another position for normal wiper speed during constant rain. Move the stalk down to the lowest position for fast wiper speed during heavy rain. Return the stalk to the off position to cancel the wipers. To activate the windshield washers, pull the stalk toward you and release. You can repeat this step as many times as needed to clear the windshield of dirt or debris. Turning the end of the stalk controls the rear wiper. To activate the rear window washer function, simply push the stalk away from you. The sporty design of Elantra GT's instrument cluster is also highly functional, with gauges and displays that are easy to read and interpret. To adjust instrument panel illumination, push the toggle switch up or down. Other instrument cluster displays include a shift indicator light on models with manual transmission that tells the driver when to upshift for maximum fuel efficiency. The Elantra GT also has a standard external temperature display for added convenience. The standard tire pressure monitoring system will display an alert if it detects low tire pressure. Please note, temperature, weather, and altitude affects tire pressure and can cause a TPMS alert. If this symbol blinks, that can indicate a need for service. A 6-speed manual transmission is standard. Hyundai's 6-speed Shiftronic automatic transmission is optional. The Shiftronic transmission's gated design offers drivers the fun and responsiveness of a manual transmission without having to operate a clutch pedal. Placing the shift lever into the manual mode enables the driver to shift gears by tapping the lever forward or back. All Elantra GTs are equipped with a hand-operated parking brake. The safety of electronic stability control, or ESC, with vehicle stability management, or VSM, is standard on all Elantra GTs. ESC will apply braking, retard engine timing, or even reduce the throttle to help keep the vehicle on the driver's intended path. ESC also includes a traction control system, which reduces wheel spin under acceleration. VSM monitors functions of a number of safety systems, including ESC, ABS, and traction control, along with the Elantra GT's motor-driven power steering, and controls them seamlessly for the driver under all road conditions. Remember that electronic stability control is meant to enhance and assist conscientious driving habits, and is not a substitute for safe driving practices. In a recent study conducted by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, ESC reduced the risk of all single-vehicle crashes, fatal and non-fatal, by 41%. ESC can be turned off by the driver by pressing the ESC button on the center stack. To turn ESC on, press the button again. The system automatically selects the on position when the engine is started. While ESC should be turned on for daily driving whenever possible, reasons for turning the system off include when the vehicle is being operated on a dynamometer or when the vehicle is being driven with tire chains installed. All Elantra models with automatic transmissions have an active ecosystem that modifies engine and transmission control for improved fuel economy. In fact, based on internal tests, this system provides up to a 7% improvement in real-world fuel economy over vehicles without this feature. The lengthy roster of Elantra GT's advanced standard safety features includes 7 standard airbags, with 2 full-length roof-mounted side curtain airbags, front 2-stage airbags, front seat-mounted side impact airbags, and a driver's knee airbag. This completes your look at the Elantra GT's driver's seat area.